Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and in today's video, the movers are moving the rest of the furniture and boxes that we have in the apartment. And then I'm going to give you a quick tour of the empty apartment before we leave the apartment. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, the movers already arrived and they're starting to put everything in the moving truck. This area here was a small office and it was packed with bins. We already took half of them ourselves in the last 2 weeks. And the kitchen is a total mess. We're trying to wrap everything and put it into boxes so the movers can take it down. In the living room, we have only a few things left, mainly some furniture and the big piano. We have also a lot of storing shelves that go into the garage, and also in the main bedroom we have the king-size bed and the dresser. The movers did a great job packing and wrapping everything, and now they're just putting the last item, that is the big heavy piano, into the truck. The movers did a great job delivering all the furniture into our new home. And it's now the next day, and before we turn over the keys and say goodbye to this apartment, let's take one last tour of the apartment when it's empty. When you come into the main door, there is a very spacious kitchen with a big island. Next to the kitchen, there is a dining room and a living room together. Across the kitchen, there is another space that it can be used for an office. For us, we use this space to store all the bins. This area also has a closet. Continuing with the tour, now we're going to take a look at the primary bathroom. This apartment has only one bathroom, but it's pretty spacious. It has 2 sinks and a big tub. Moving on with the tour, we're going to go now across the dining room and living room, and I'm going to show you the very cute balcony that this apartment has. This area here, we use it mainly to store our lawnmower and all the patio stuff that we had from the previous house. The location of this apartment was ideal. It has a beautiful view of the woods and also is very sunny. Going back inside, we're going to take a look at the primary bedroom. This bedroom was a decent size. I was able to fit our king-size bed and our dresser. Next to the primary bedroom, there is a door that connects you to the walk-in closet and the laundry room. From the walk-in closet, there is a door that connects to the primary bathroom. This apartment was very cozy and the configuration were great to store all the items and at the same time living here while we build our new home. So now, as we close this chapter in our life, we say goodbye and thank this apartment for the memories, and we're going to the main office to return the keys. I'm now in the clubhouse and the leasing office, and I already gave the keys to the leasing agent. So now we're all done and we're going to drive to our new home. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave the video, please take some time to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.